Good day everyone. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most important parts of doing research.
First, what is research problem?
A research problem is the main issue or concern that a researcher wants to explore, understand, or solve. It's give the study purpose and direction. It usually comes from a gap in knowledge, a real-life issue, or something that needs improvement. For example, if many students are failing math, a research problem could be why are students performing poorly in mathematics? Importance of the research problem. The research problem helps us understand why the study is important. It also tells us what we want to find out. Without a clear problem, the research was no direction. What are research questions? Research questions are the specific questions we ask to guide our study. They come from the research problem and help us know exactly what information we need to collect. For example, if the research problem is about studying having low grades in math, a research question could be what study habits affect student math performance? This question keep the research focused and help us find clear answer to main problem. So, why are they important? Both the research problem and question are essential. The problem gives the research a goal. That question shows us how to reach that goal, step by step. In summary, a good research starts with a clear problem and well-written questions. They help the researcher stay focused, organized, and effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now understand the importance of identifying a strong research problem and writing clear research questions.